Hi everyone, in today's video we will check out the Vansuny 1TB SATA SSD solid-state drive. It is a data SSD with different storage option. I have the 1TB version today and will explore its quality and function. Packaging looks good, professional and has key important detail of the product at the back of the packing. Inside the box, when I open it contains the Vansuny solid-state drive, packed securely in the plastic packaging. Quality feels good, lightweight and compact. As you see, I have the 1TB version here. It has the plug-and-play functionality where I can just plug it in and use it with a data cable that fits SSDs, which I have to get myself, connect to the computer and my computer can detect it. Fast and easy, can work on different computer types too. When I plug it in, my computer can read that it is 1 TB in storage capacity, and that is sufficient for all my needs, be it running a computer as a hard drive or as a side storage. I can use it for my data need. Drag and drop a file I want to copy over into the disk and it quickly does it. It is a good value for money for a 1 TB SATA SSD. I feel it allows me well to store the data I want. Pricing is reasonable and budget friendly. During the time of filming, the price is under $50 for the version I have, 1 TB, SATA 2.5 SSD. Do note it is as stated during the time of my filming edits. Works well, and I like the design and compact lightweight build, which is good for me to bring around. Overall, I find the Vansuny 1 TB solid-state drive a good option that is budget friendly for me. You can find out more about this Vansuny SSD in the description box with the link inside. Thank you for watching.